Falk, the name synonymous with rugged, reliable industrial gearboxes. For decades, Falk gearboxes have powered industries, handling the toughest applications. But even the mightiest machines require expert care. When your Falk gearbox needs repair, you need a partner you can trust. You need industrialgearbox.net. At industrialgearbox.net, Falk gearboxes aren't just another job, they're our specialty. We understand the intricacies of Falk's design, from their helical and bevel gears to their robust housings. We know the specific tolerances and lubrication requirements that are critical to their performance. This deep understanding comes from years of experience that makes us the leading Falk gearbox repair experts. We don't just replace parts, we diagnose the root cause of the problem. Whether it's wear and tear, lubrication failure, or unexpected damage, we identify the issue and implement the most effective solution. We only use genuine Falk or equivalent high-quality parts, ensuring the integrity and longevity of your gearbox. Downtime is costly. That's why we offer fast turnaround times without compromising quality. Our streamlined processes and dedicated team allow us to get your Falk gearbox back in operation quickly, from routine maintenance to complete overhauls. IndustrialGearbox.net is your one-stop shop for all of your Falk gearbox needs. We offer competitive pricing, comprehensive warranties, and unparalleled customer service. IndustrialGearbox.net, your Falk gearbox partner.